Okay, family, welcome back to yet another valuable video. So we are going to be reviewing and doing a market recap on our weekly predictions. So we do weekly predictions every Monday, sort of like Sunday, Monday, predicting what's going to happen on the market on Nasdaq. And I'm basically reviewing what happened or what we predicted. I'm just going to play a small few seconds of what we did, and then you will see exactly what happened. Pushed all the way up into this supply, then actually sell. That is the true essence of smart money. Okay, so as you've seen what happened over there, we can clearly see I did indicate we're going to be taking such levels like this one over here. If you are not familiar with what I did, please go revert to that clip over there. I did teach it up to the fullest. So we took this liquidity over here, as you can see. And of course, we just pushed highs. I did anticipate that the market will push a bit lower, but it actually just filled in a fair value gap and then pushed a bit higher, as you can see. Now it tapped into the zone. Reason why I'm making this video is because I'm very confident about this analysis, and reason being, it's almost like a signal to so many of you to really make money from this trade. If you have ever gained something that makes you profitable off this channel, it should be this setup over here. A lot of people, I do remember, they caught these sells over here, and I waited for a while. I was still anticipating buys. Even in my mentorship, I saw people being obsessed with sales, and I waited slightly until this setup. I also shared it as well in that review, and hence I'm also sharing it right now. So it's almost like a signal to you. So you can see we are in the supply over here. Now, um, what we're going to be doing over here, yes, we are reviewing. We can clearly see that we got it up to the T in terms of those buys. Many of you guys, I believe you might have caught those buys over there. They were beautiful buys. In fact, let's just see from Monday. We can clearly see from Monday where the market actually started moving. So one could have caught buys of this demand. Okay. We could have caught buys for that demand level over here, and we could have pushed all the way up, as you can see. Now we have tapped into this supply zone that you can see now. We have really tapped into it, but it is not a time for entry. And I'll probably, if in on this Friday, it'll either just mitigate. What I mean by that is that I'm actually doing this video like midnight, actually, around about 11. As you can see the time over here, it's close to midnight. So the markets are closed. As you can see, the market are quite closed. So I'm expecting it as it opens into Friday. You guys are gonna see this video Friday morning. Either way, I'm expecting that this Friday that it can actually just push further up into the this levels here where it actually pushes into the 50% of that zone. Then finally we can sell off. That 50% of that zone is going to be a very, very powerful zone. If we're going to further refine it over here, we can take exactly that small supply, and we can clearly see that that is where we can actually get that entry from. I don't want to make this video long. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on this. Literally, I'm not sleeping. Most people are sleeping where I am right now, including my kids and everybody. But we're putting in the work, and I thought as much, let me just create a video that's really gonna assist you guys into really um seeing this market over here. So I just want to push to this side. I've been analyzing without my mouse. It's been a roller coaster for sure. So, but yeah, I'm getting to figure a lot of things out with this. Okay. So as you can see, I wanted to just show you further refining this, which zone we're taking. It's actually this one here. Okay. In terms of refinement, it's exactly as well within the 50%. So that supply, that small supply that you see, that's the supply that the market is going to be using to actually sell off this market. Let me just label it so we can see the small supply. I'm not sure on the 4H, I'm going to still see it. Okay, there we go. The small supply, I expect it to stretch out all the way to this area right here. And then from then on, we can actually see the market sell from that supply. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss this. Nevertheless, I believe you guys caught buys. When we do such analysis, investigate. Yes, don't just follow blindfoldedly and deep sink a hook in. Believe me, no. investigate with your own skills, especially if you are a trader that's well proven with a trading record. Ourselves, we've got many of this analysis, right? As I said in the previous video, sometimes we've missed, and it happens to every trader, but by God's grace, we're getting it right in terms of consistency. And that's what matters, that we make consistent profits that yield progressive change of lifestyle due to the financial gain that's happening over there. Okay, so what I'm basically telling you is that within the supply, I'm expecting the market to be selling. Let's look at the price here. Let's speak price. Okay, um, 2048 3.51. That's the price I'm expecting to sell. I won't put a sell limit. I will rather watch this, but it's already showing me signs of really reducing because in our mentorship we have this thing called triple R, reduce, or rather we call it rejection, reversal, or rather reduction, rejection, reversal. So already I'm seeing reduction in the markets, them reducing speed. It's almost like if a car is gonna stop and turn, it will need to reduce a bit of speed, and then that's when it will stop and turn or just go over a hump or something. That's the very same thing a market ought to do. It cannot come with so much liquidity in the zone. It will stop slightly, give us signs that it's reducing, and it's gonna reject, then it's gonna reverse. Okay, I taught you something new over here. Definitely, guys, I'm waiting for this. Let me know in the comment section. This trade is going to be held for quite a while. So you got to have on you, you got to have some God-given patience, right? You got to have it on you when it comes to the setup. Anyway, you're going to be making money. So be patient to trust the process. Let the trade run longer. It may run for the whole of October, all the way into November. So please be patient. Then we will also cover when it comes into the zone over here. Okay. So, but nevertheless, God bless you guys. See you on the next video. Um, and of course, yeah, do not forget we're running a anniversary 4-year anniversary that we have 60% off our advanced trading course. Be part of that, where we teach you more skills on how to predict such markets like this that can yield big profits, not just intraday trading methods, but swing, also news trading, super scalping, techniques that can really help you to navigate these markets. So yeah, 60% off only happens once a year, guys. Maybe next year, probably next year, I'm closing this whole thing. We will see. But yeah, this might be the last time where we do such a special of 60%. So make sure to get it for your own sake and be part of a growing community. God bless you. See you on the next video.